No, and you can't eat the poke unless you do what? You remember?
Unless you cook it.
Yeah, 3 times.
And
Okay, so now what we have to do is take off all the leaves.
will it glow?
No,
On the ground?
no, it won't.
Will it glow if I drop it on the ground? This.
No, it's not all the way done. So, I'm going to strip it off the stem.
What? Why?
Poke.
Do we eat the poke leaves?
We'll keep that part.
Do we eat this?
So,
Do we eat?
no, just throw it down the hill.
Do we throw the leaves?
No!
Oh.
Judah, can you give me that leaf, please? Okay, so what I want you to do is just pop the leaf off and put it in that stack. We'll rinse all this stuff off when we're done pulling it off.
I thought you meant to throw that leaf.
No,
That's funny that I threw it.
it is funny.
I thought you meant.
That's why you gotta ask questions.
Can I? Yeah.
Nope, no berries, just pokeweed.
Look.
Full of what?
Baby.
Oh my.
Look, Mom. Mom, look at this.
Open.
Can you eat it?
It's fine because it's little, but it's just the spine of the stem of the leaf.
Oh, don't touch the stuff in the middle of the stick, Tom.
Naomi, come.
I don't want my
Naomi.
Look at this one, it had a spider web.
Where?
Right here.
Where? That is spider web. Oh, yeah. You can toss this.
Yeah, I'll throw it down the hill and the spiders can live.
I'm just gonna toss that. The spiders could live in a, or just toss.
I even take the little baby ones.
Huh?
I even take the little baby ones.
What little baby ones? I can't see
These
them.
little baby leaves.
Could I show them the sassafras, Mom?
Ah, check it.
It's fuzzy when you pick the little things off.
I want a little baby. Want 2 little babies. Look, this was a look at the baby.
Okay, time to send it. Whoop.
Here's one of the other pods, Mom. But see how green
Look,
it is?
Mom.
And then inside
Look,
is
Mom.
fuzzy.
Oh yeah.
Mom, this was a baby one, but it
Used to
got
be
big.
once upon a time.
It used to be a little baby.
Yeah.
I have 10 feet and one chunk of a thin worm.
You probably should just leave them alone, buddy.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Behind the barn. I took a little thing, I brought a stool back there, and the nest is full.
Is my water getting hot, bud?
It's not good to open the house.
It's on there, right?
Yes, it is.
Good.
I saw it before. Okay, it's time to chop.
Send it.
Oh,
You about sent yourself down that hill.
I almost fell on you.
I noticed. And I was like, what's going on here?
I don't care if I have to dig this one.
Okay.
Look. It's so big.
Gigantic.
This used to be littler than this. He's a big boy.
Here's a big boy.
Oh, bad. We did not see this one. Woo! Bad that we didn't find it. I like it.
No, let's pop that off.
Can you pop it in?
Here, I'm going to do it like this. This one's kind of a big leaf, so I'll get rid of the stem. Because sometimes stems are
Bad.
kind of chunky.
Yeah, and bad.
Oh, the cat's trying to figure out what we're throwing down the hill.
Oh.
She says, is that a snack for me?
Oh.
Cats don't like poke, though.
Yeah. Want some
Maybe if I cooked it up for her, she would like it.
Oh.
She was probably hoping we were throwing bones.
You probably will help.
Okay, throw it. Nope, don't throw it to the cat. Throw it down the hill. Okay, last one. Okay,
Last one.
and I'm going to go through all this and see that we don't have too many stems.
Hey, why find out?
I'm just making a new pile, going through it. I don't want to have too much stem. I'm just checking. Check it.
Check it. Look for more stems.
Whoop, there's a lot of stem there, bud. What were you doing?
I just want to toss it in so you can grab it and toss it off.
Okay, you gave me a job.
I gave you a job.
Thanks.
I gave you a job.
I like jobs. Do you like jobs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you scared the cat with that, yeah. All right. Ready?
Of course, Mom.
Rinsey, rinsey.
I got it. Ready?
This is gonna make a big batch.
Okay, now I'm gonna take all this out.
Oh, are you already boiling some? Oh no, boiling water.
Hey, Sam, I'm coming at you with water.
Ah, don't crash, James.
Somebody ought to.
Look.
Pokeberry is really yummy if you season it right. Just salt.
Pokeweed, not pokeberry.
What will it do?
Probably floating at things.
We're out of oil. Here, let me see that. Which is all I get it to. Hey, Judah, can you get me a couple pot holders? Be careful. Don't light on fire. Yeah.
That's probably a problem.
I'm gonna eat it.
In a minute. She's changing out the pot, and then this pot,
water is... Hey,
Poisonous.
stay back, bud.
she has to boil it again.
It's
2 more times.
poisonous water.
Yeah.
We gotta boil it a bunch. This time and then another time.
Yep. These leaves don't get too...
I eat one of the leaves
Yes,
No.
later.
right now.
No.
No, it's poisonous right now.
It smells good though.
It does smell very good.
Mhm.
I like the smell of poke.
Probably, I like the smell of the water probably and smelling the water that is poisonous water. Not good.
I need a strainer. Oh, well. I don't want to dirty more dishes.
It kind of smells like waffle.
It doesn't smell like waffles.
Yeah, kind of.
What is your sticks on the table for? That table, your fire
This?
table. Yeah.
Shove them in and to pick it up. This is to pick up the lid. This
Oh.
one. And then this one's just to shove them in.
I see.
This one I use some.
This
for the-
burns better if you can shut that trap. That's probably enough fuel. If we put in too much, we're just wasting it. So just go ahead and shut the lid. There you go. And we'll let that cook for a little bit. And we'll watch that fire.
Okay, I'm gonna grind this up.
We'll watch that fire, and if it looks like it needs a little more fuel, we'll push some more in.
Hey,
Yes?
could I open the mushroom?
I can fry some of this.
Yes, you can open the mushrooms.
Oh, it's already almost open.
I love
You need to brush
caramelized
them off.
onions. I used to love these caramelized.
Who picked?
I did too.
Why do you have to wash them off?
I would caramelize
Because
these
if you
with
water
butter
them, they'll
and
get
salt
waterlogged.
and a little bit of sugar. Butter, salt, and a little bit of sugar.
You take this, listen to me. You take this pot right here and go rinse it. Rinse it good.
Looks like I cut
And then fill it up a little bit more than halfway and
Looks
bring
like
it
I cut it. Look, Mom, it looks like I cut it.
back. It does.
This one too.
Do you like to cook?
Yep.
I thought so.
I like to
I would
break
caramelize
mushrooms.
these.
Would you? That's the plan.
Look, Mom,
Caramelize them.
that looks like I cut it.
Looks good.
Look again. It keeps looking like I cut it. Look.
Love it.
I'm just showing you what it looks like so you know.
You can cut them if you want, though.
But then he'd have to go get a knife. So I think he's good.
We do got a knife still.
Oh, and also, Mom, your lettuce, the purple lettuce, is doing good.
It cools it down quick.
The kind that Dad eats, you know.
Get it ready to do it. Don't add very much.
Okay.
Like too much because
Man, that
this
thing is
part.
messed up, Sam.
What?
It's so bent.
Yeah, it is. It still is doing stuff though.
I weeded my corn garden too,
That's good.
so it's weeded now.
Do you want to?
I didn't fully weed it. There's still little plants, but they're too hard to pull up.
I want to show the camera I'm cutting.
Okay.
I should have poured that on before the 90. Oh,
You're really good at this.
I am.
It doesn't matter if you get one little chunk of.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
That's good.
Caramelizing onions?
What are you doing?
The oil.
This table doesn't cook food.
It doesn't?
That
The
does.
burner doesn't work.
That does.
That does.
Yeah.
Look at how black you're getting that pot.
Yeah.
You know the trick? You're supposed to rub it down with what? Soap before you start, and then the black just rubs right off.
Really?
Yeah.
It won't just burn on there? Are you sure it's soap?
I think so. I think bar soap. That's what.
You know where I could find any of that?
I'm sure there's somebody that makes some somewhere.
Probably. We're waiting for this last time of boiling so we can do the next thing.
Look at you just playing around.
It's gonna come on. You gonna grab that cast iron?
Sure. Come on.
You alright?
Yeah.
Okay, I would not be holding on to the bottom while I'm putting it on here. Okay, Nay, you're right where this is going. Alright, you ready, Shimon?
Scooch over. You don't want to be there. Oh, you don't want to be there, Tom.
Put it on.
Is it done?
What? Yeah, it's a little too hot, probably.
I got it hot.
Oh, I didn't get a spatula.
Oh, we can use the thing we use for the soap.
Is it tasty?
Yeah.
Are you a poke boy?
I
No,
like it
that's
better
not
when
what I
it's
mean by
salted.
poke.
Mom.
Is it good?
I like it better when it's salted.
Yeah, salted makes a big
Why are
difference.
you videoing me, Mom?
Because I was wondering if the poke was good.
Why are you videoing me?
I'm not videoing you. I'm videoing the onions and you're in the way. This pot is not big enough. Did you notice?
Yeah, you told me to do that, babe.
Do I drain off the water out of that?
No, I mean not the bowl, the pot.
No, the other thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it just sit there for a little bit.
That really didn't hold now, man.
Sorry.
Okay, these are Azariah's
Here, Tommy, I
mushrooms.
pulled it up for you.
Could I push not in?
Sure.
Dang, we're gonna have to. I love to watch when they're caramelizing.
Me too.
Okay.
How's caramelizing?
You don't so you don't catch on fire.
How's caramelizing?
Just spread them out
getting
and let it sit for a little bit.
And my idea was to do the Japanese barbecue stuff.
Yeah.
My food. This is my one plate of my food. Just
No,
one
sirree,
plate. It's
Bob.
one plate. It's one plate. Could I add more? I mean, could I add the rest?
Got it? Okay, let Azariah add some. Two hands,
Hang on
yeah.
with both hands. Stop.
Looks good.
Caramelizing done?
It will. Alright, let's let it sit and not stir it for a minute. Okay, check the fire.
Smells good.
Big rods on it and part. The wire here is much harder than those.
See, Mom, I kind of shoved it in some.
Grandma's got a couple that can fall apart already.
Where's the thing? Scoop
Hers are
thing.
probably old.
Smells good.
It does smell good.
My chef Simeon.
Chef Simeon.
I don't think you want to be chef when you're older. It'll be so annoying because you want to
There's bits of mushroom in this. It's not grossy stuff.
I might buy one.
Look right here.
Oh, it looks so good inside.
That costs a lot of money, and you can make your own out of grape. Out of grape. Mom, what do you say at this age whenever us boys are making all the rocket stoves?
I'm gonna
Yeah,
make me one. Brick
probably.
one.
Yeah, you didn't get enough.
If we got free rocks,
I knew I wouldn't get it all out of there.
Did you squeeze it out with your hands?
Mom.
It's not going to fit super good, but I'm going to cut this in.
Why?
Here, scoot your little tushy. Why? Because this is what it's supposed to be for.
Well,
Tom, do you want to look?
These mushrooms are plain.
Sorry, Charlie.
Oh, yeah, can you just come help you real quick?
It's better when it's salted.
It is better when it's salted. It's not done.
We are
You
going
should
to
have had
fire
David teach us a cooking lesson, Mom. Made up winning. Since you've done so many tomatoes. Okay, how about you? How about you guys?
Looks so good, don't it?